dear students, last class we are discussed about how to find the surface area of the combination of solids. In this class we are going to learn about the new concept, how to find the volume of the combination of solids. Volume of the combination of the solids. Of combination of solids. First, let us discuss about what is the meaning of volume. See, any one solid figure, how much space occupied, that space is called its volume. Once again children, any one solid figure, how much space is occupied, its space is called its volume. Its volume is the figure volume. See, now let us discuss about some formulas. See, volume of cuboid formula. Volume of cuboid. What is the formula to find the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height, cubic units. Cubic units. Using this formula to find the volume of the cuboid. Next, volume of cube. What is the formula to find the volume of cube? A into A into A cube cubic units or S cube cubic units. S cube cubic units. Using this formula to find the volume of the cube. Next, volume of cylinder. What is the formula to find the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. What is the formula, children? Pi r square h cubic units. Using this formula to find the volume of the cylinder. Next, volume of the cone. What is the formula to find the volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Using this formula to find the volume of the cone. Any doubt regarding this one? Which formula, children? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Next, fifth one, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. What is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube h. 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Using this formula to find the volume of the sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Next, last one, volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Using this formula to solve the problem. In your class 10, using this 6 formula to solve the volume of the combination of solid figures, children. First, let us learn about 6 formulas. Write and learn in your rough note 2 or 3 times, children. Practice very well. That time, easy to solve the problem, children. First, you should learn formulas carefully. Now, let us going to learn about how to solve the problems using these formulas. Using this formula, how to solve the combination of volume of figures. See? See, children, combination of volume of figures. Example 5th one. Observe all of you. Page number 245. Volume of combination of solids. Example 5th one. Shanta runs an industry in a shed which is in the shape of cuboid surmounted by a half cylinder. See, children, this is the figure. This is cuboid part. This is half cylinder part to form a shed. In the base of the shed is dimension 7 meter and 15 meter. 15 meter height, length, 7 meter breadth, and height of the cuboid portions is 8 meter. Find the volume of air that shed can hold. Further, suppose the machinery in the shed occupies the total space is 300 meter cube, and there are 20 workers, each of the whom occupy that about 0.08 meter cube space on an average. Then how much air is in the shed? Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. See, first you should read the questions carefully and understand the questions, children. After, see, observe all of you. The figure in the shape of, observe all of you, figure in the shape of cuboid and occupies half of the cylinder to form a new figure said no. See, children, already given the length of the cuboid is 15 meter and breadth of the cuboid is 7 meter. Height of the cuboid is 8 meter. So height of the cylinder part also 15 meter. Height of the cylinder also same, no, 15 meter according to given questions. See, diameter of the cylinder is given. What is the breadth? 7, no, 7 meter. Diameter 7. You should convert into radius. First, write given that diameter is equal to 7 meter. You should convert radius 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5 meter. Is the radius. Any doubt regarding this one? Length given 15 meter. Breadth is given 7 meter. Height is given 8 meter. Height of the cylinder also given 15 meter. Now find the volume of the cell. How to find volume of cell? Volume of cell is equal to volume of cuboid. Volume of cell is equal to volume of cuboid plus half into volume of cylinder. Why? Because half is half of the cylinder, no, in a upward place. So half into volume of cylinder. It's a shape of half of the cylinder, no, that's why. Now substitute the value, children. What is the formula to find the volume of the cuboid? Volume of the cuboid, length into breadth into height plus half of the volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. Using these two formula to find the volume of given cell. Any doubt regarding this one? Now substitute the values. Observe all. What is the formula to find the volume of the cuboid? L into B into H, no, plus half into pi r square h. Now substitute the values and simplify. Length 15 meter into breadth 7 meter into height 8 meter plus half into pi value is 22 by 7, r value is 3.5 into 3.5. What is the radius, children? 7 by 2, no, 3.5 into 3.5. What is the value of height? Height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is how much? 15. How much, children? 15 meter. Now simplify. Observe all of you. 15 7 ja. 15 7 ja how much? 105 into 8 plus. Now simplify. 7 1 ja 7. 7 0.5 ja. 2 1 ja 2 11 ja. Now multiply number 11 into 15. 15 11 ja how much? 165. 165 into 0.5 into 3.5. What is the product of 0.5 into 3.5? 1.75. 1.75. Now simplify. 105 8 ja. 105 8 ja how much? See. Observe all of you. 8 5 ja 40 0 4 carry. 8 0 is 0 plus 4 4. 8 1 is 8. What is the volume of cuboid? 840 meter cube. 840 meter cube is the volume of the cuboid. Now find the volume of the half of the cylinder. What is the volume of half of the cylinder? You should multiply 165 into 1.75. See, now simplify, children. 165 into 1.75. Now 5 table, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 carry, 5 6 is 30, 32, 2 3 carry, 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 8 into mark. 7 table, 7 5 is 35, 5 3 carry, 7 6 is 42, 42 plus 3 45, 5 4 carry, 7 1 is 7 plus 4 11. Now 2 into mark. 1 table, 1 5 is 5, 1 6 is 6, 1 1 is 1 hardy plus 5, 2 plus 5 7, 10, 18 8 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 1 plus 1 2. What is the answer? Put point in the last two bits. No. Put point. Answer is 288.75 meter cube. 288.75 meter cube, children. Any doubt regarding this one? Now, substitute the values. 288.75 meter cube. Now, add both, children. 840 plus 288. See, 75 right as it is. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 to 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. The final answer is 1128.75 meter cube. The total volume of the set is 1128.75 meter cube, children. Any doubt regarding this one? No doubt. Now, see, children. Observe all of you. Already we find total volume. What is the total volume, children? 1128.75 meter cube. Volume of machinery part, should subtract 300 from 1248.75. Why? Because the volume of the machinery part already given 300 meter cube and 20 members, each members 0.08 meter cube. No, 0.08 into 20, 0.08 into 20. All of them are 20 tables. 28 to 160, 160 0, 16 carry. 20 0 0 plus 16 6, 1 carry. 20 0 0 plus 1 1. Put point. Put point to the 1.60. 1 point minus 1.6 meter cube. 1.6 meter cube, children. Any doubt regarding this one? No doubt. 1.6 meter cube. Now, you should add both also minus, no? Minus 300 minus 1.6. Minus 301.6 meter cube. Now, simplify, children. 1128.75 minus 301.6. Now, simplify. 1128.75 minus 301.60. Now subtract 5, 7 minus 6 1, 8 minus 1 7, 2 minus 0 2, 11 minus 8, 11 minus 3 8. The final answer is 827.15 meter cube. 827.15 meter cube. This is the volume of the air in a set. Therefore, volume of air in a set is how much? 827.15 meter cube. Any doubt regarding this one? No doubt.